Good morning, girls. Let's start with exercise 6.6 today. In this exercise, we will be doing multiplication and division of fractions. So let's do ones apart. 1, 2 by 5 into 3 by 7. Now see here, what we are going to do is, we are going to multiply the numerators and the denominators. So in a numerator it will be 2 by 3 and the denominator it will be 5 by 7. 5 into 7. So that is 2 3s are 6 and 5 7s are 35. So this is your answer. As simple as that. Now let's do ones apart 2. 3 by 5 into 8 by 9. Now here you can see that we have a 3 in the numerator and a 9 in the denominator. Now this is very important. Just be very careful and attentive. Now since the operation in between them is multiplication, you can cancel this way. Okay, so when multiplication is concerned and there are two fractions, you can cancel this with this and this with this also. So you can basically cancel or reduce the fraction by using any one numerator excuse me, and any one of the denominators. So I can write here 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay, so any more up and down can be cancelled, or there is a factor or multiple? No. So what do we have in the numerator now? 1 into 8, and in the denominator we have 5 into 3, which is equals to 8 by 15. This is your answer. Okay. Let's do question number 2. 2 subpart 2. 4 by 7 into 280. So you see here, this is 280 and no denominator. That means the denominator is 1. Now you see 280 is a multiple of 7. Why? Because 7 4s are 28. So 7 1s are 7. 7 40s are 280. Right? So in the numerator we have 4 into 40. And in the denominator, both the denominators are now 1. So which can be written as simply 160. 4 4s are 60 and a 0. Okay. Nothing is there in the denominator means the denominator is 1. Now let's do 2 subpart 3. 2 subpart 3. 2 by 3 of 1 4 by 9. Of means multiplication. So that's 2 by 3 into 9 ones are 9, 9 and 4, 13 by 9. Now here you see there's nothing that can be cancelled because nobody is a factor of anybody here. So in the numerator we have 2 into 13 and in the denominator we have 3 into 9. We cannot cancel in this direction. Okay, in this direction we cannot do any cancellation. We can only do cancellations up and down, not side by side. So 2 into 13 is 26 and in the denominator 3 nines are 27. So this is my answer. Now let's do question number 3. And this is very important, how you write this. I think we have done this before also. Find the reciprocal of each of the fractions. 9 by 13. So we will write the reciprocal of 9 by 13 is equals to 13 by 9. We will not write 9 by 13 is equals to 13 by 9. We will write the reciprocal of 9 by 13 is 13 by 9. Is that clear? 2, 3 by 8. So first we have to convert it into a improper fraction. 8 to the 16, 16 and 3, 19 by 8. So the reciprocal of 19 by 8 is equals to 8 by 8. Okay. Now let's do division. Question number 4. 1. 8 by 21 divided by 4. Now be very careful. 8 by 21 divided by 4 means what? 4 by 1. Now see what is happening. This two things will happen together. Okay, not before and after. It has to take place in the same step. This division will become multiplication and this fraction, the second fraction, will become its reciprocal. Okay, this is a simultaneous change. Both has to occur together. So 8 by 21 into 1 by 4. So now you can do the cancellation. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So in the numerator we have 2 into 1 and the denominator we have 21 into 1. So that's only 2 by 21, which is the answer. I will do some more divisions, don't worry. Now let's do 4 sub part 2. 4 by 15 divided by 2 by 5. Okay, Miss Das Ghosh. I just did that right. When there is a mixed fraction, first we open the mixed fraction and we convert it into an improper fraction, and then we find out the reciprocal. The way we did question number 3 sub part 2. Okay, let's do 4 sub part 2. Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. Let's see who gives the answer first. Then I will do it on my own. Okay, so Hina says it's 2 by 3. Let's see. 4 by 15. And remember, this will become multiplication and this will become 5 by 2 together. So I'm writing it again over here so that I can do the cancellation and it doesn't look clumsy. 3 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So that's 2 into 1, 2, divided by 3 into 1, 3. Very good, Shahina. Yes, I have got many answers. Very good. It's very good. So many of you are getting it correct. That's very nice. 4 sub part 3. 8 divided by 5 by 6. So 8 means 8 by 1 into 6 by 5. So you can see the change. There are two changes together. So there is no cancellation here. So it will be simply 8 6 48 divided by 5. So which is equals to 5 8s are 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 3 is 8. So this is the answer. 9 3 by 5. I hope you all have also got the same answer. 6.6. Yeah. Next, 4 sub part 4. I'm doing all the divisions, okay, so that you get a good practice. 4 sub part 4 is 5 1 by 4 divided by 7 by 8. So let us convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 4s are 20, 20 and 1, 21. See, not all girls always attend the class. How will they learn maths if they don't attend class? 21 and this is 7 by 8. Now 21 by 4 will remain the same. So this will change to multiplication and this will change to 8 by 7. Yes, do we have such chances of cancellation? Yes. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So 3 twos are 6 by 1, which is equals to just 6. Good. 4 subpart 5 you can do on your own. Okay, so let's do number 5. It's all multiplication. I will do question number 4 subpart 5 subpart 3. 3 by 7 or 3/7 of 4 hours and 40 minutes. So 3/7 of means multiplication, and you have to convert this 4 hours 40 minutes into minutes first. Okay, so we will write 4 hours 40 minutes is equals to 4 into 60 plus 40 minutes, right? We converted the hours into minutes by multiplying it with 60. So that is 240 plus 40, which is equals to 280 minutes. So then we write 3 by 7 of 280 minutes, which is equals to 3/7 into 280. Of means into. 7 ones are 7, 7 40s are 280, which is equals to then 120 minutes, which can be written as 2 hours, right? If you want, I can explain this once more. Okay, just let me know if you want it to be explained once more, then you just write in full sentence, otherwise it's difficult to understand. Miss Bardia, do you want it once more? Okay. 3/7 of 4 hours 40 minutes. Now this is in mixed unit, right? Hours minutes. So what we did is first we converted hours minutes into minutes. So 4 hours 40 minutes. So this 4 hours has been first converted into minutes. We know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 4 hours will be 4 into 60 minutes, so that is 240 minutes. So 240 plus, we already have 40 minutes. This one has come here. So 240 plus 40 will be 280 minutes. So now here, instead of writing 3/7 of 4 hours 40 minutes, I am writing 3/7 of 280 minutes. So now we can do the cancellation. 4 sevens are 28. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28 and 0. So 4 into 40 is 120 minutes. Now 120 minutes, since it is greater than 60, we should always give it in the highest unit that is there in the question. So this can, if you divide it by 60, you will get 2 hours. Yes, if you have skipped any sum, this video is available after the live stream. So you can go through all the sums again and again and again as many times as you want. Okay, so Ms. Bhardi has understood, so we can move forward. Question number 6. Now this is powers and exponents. So 6 subpart 1 is 9 to the power 3. So when we have something like this number is called the base of the exponent. What is it called? The base. and this one is called the power, not power actually, it's called the exponent or index. Now whenever we have something like this, it means the base has to be multiplied exponent number of times. Base multiplied to itself. How many times? Exponent number of times. Okay, so that means 9 into 9 into 9. So this is 9 nines are 81, 81 into 9, which is equals to 729. That's the answer. It is not 27. It is not 9 into 3. This is wrong. 27 is a wrong answer. It is not 9 into 3. It is multiplied to itself. It's not base into exponent. It is base multiplied to itself, exponent number of times. So it's 9 into 9 into 9. Okay, somebody has asked that do we have to write the base unit into 40 plus 40 is equal to 80 minutes? Yes, you have to write the unit. Okay, let's do the next one. Six is part 2. 8 to the power 4. So it does not mean 8 into 4. This is incorrect. Wrong. It is 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. Okay? So that's 8 8s are 64. And this is also 8 8s are 64. So that is equals to 4096. 6 part 3. Okay, I will do this in a new page. Six part 3. This is important. Okay, it's an important sum. 3 by 5 to the power 3. So this means, which is the base? Base is 3 by 5. What is the exponent? 3. So 3 by 5 should multiply to itself 3 times. Okay. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So that's okay. So we're just multiplying all the numerators and getting this numerator, and multiplying all the denominators and getting the denominator. Yes, 27 by 125. And the last sum, 6 part 4, 3 cube into 5 square. So now there are two powers. one of the 3 and one for the 2. So we'll do separately. So this means, what does this mean? This means 3 will be multiplied. This means 3 will be multiplied 3 times, and this means 5 will be multiplied twice. Power is 2, right? Exponent is 2. So 2 times. So so what will be the answer then? This one is 27 into, this one is 25. So that is 25 sevens are is 175, and 25 twos are 50. 50 plus 17 is 67. So there can be any number of, you can get something like this also. 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power um, 3 to the power, okay, better even you can write like this, 4 to the power. So this means in the numerator we'll have 2 into 2 into 2. In the another one is 5 into 5 divided by 4 into 4. So you can do the cancellation. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are, so 2 ones are 2. So we have 25 into 2, 50. 50 by 4, which is equals to 12 and a half. Or you can do further, sorry. You can do further cancellations. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So that is, so what do we have? We have 1 into 1 into 1 into 25, and in the denominator only 2. So that is 12 and a half. So you can have it in any way. Maybe we'll do this in the next class in details. I'm just giving you an overview. This is not a second process, it's a second sum. It's not a second process. I just gave you an example of, it can be any other kind of sum can also be given with as many number of powers in the numerator and denominator. Okay. Now for homework, I would like you to do some sums from exercise 6.7. Simple ones. Simple addition subtractions. Exercise 6.7, question numbers 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Exercise 6.7, question number 1, 2, and 3. These are simple fraction addition and subtraction. Okay. Write with proper statements. Okay. So then you can just give your attendance and then you can go. Thank you so much.